Let's buy Bitcoin using the Gemini exchange. This is an easy process. Gemini is one of the places that I look to buy cryptocurrency because it's a very easy, simple step, and you can download the app using your phone, your cell phone. So if you have an Android phone, use the Play Store and just type in Gemini in the search bar. Or if you have an Apple phone, an iPhone, use the Apple Store and then type in Gemini in the search bar as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and let's go ahead and dive into this content right now. Now, right below this video, I do have a link that comes right to the Gemini page, and you have a chance of getting some Bitcoin. You have some chance of getting some free Bitcoin just by signing up and going ahead and getting your first cryptocurrency. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is create a new account. Very simple, just like anything else that you sign up as. You just sign up, your name, your email, password. It's really simple. And then you go on to the next prompt. The next step is going to be basically a little bit more information about you. And then you also want to hook your bank account as well. Since I already have an account already, I'm going to go ahead and just log in. Now, when I log into Gemini, it's going to give me a 7-digit code. So when you start your free account, you're going to come right back to the page of your login page, and you're going to get a 7-digit code that's going to be sent to your cell phone. So right now I have that sent right now. So I'm going to go ahead and look for that. And here it is. Here is the 7-digit code. So I'm going to go there. And voila, so I'm right into my Gemini exchange. I kind of use this page here as more of a training basis in terms of Gemini. Now, the first thing you'll get at the top is whatever your profile is, and whatever funds you currently have that's inside your account. It's really simple, guys, really simple. And I like the fact that it has a graph. It shows a graph exactly where your funds is. So 10 a.m. today, it was at $45.60. And then right now, it's at $47.19. So this was yesterday. Yesterday at 10 o'clock, it was $45.60. And then right now, it is at $47.19. So that's the day average. You can look at week average. So I can see it by the week. So Friday to Thursday. You can do it the month. You can do it by 3 months, year. Okay, so you can definitely get that. So I like the fact it shows you exactly where you are and then shows you where you were. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and do, if you want to just go ahead and buy your Bitcoin, or go ahead, don't forget right below this video, sign up to get some free Bitcoin and purchase your free Bitcoin, and then you'll get free Bitcoin. So it's very simple as that. So if I'm saying I want to purchase Bitcoin, it's right here. It's right on your dashboard. Just click on the Bitcoin icon. Now you see the price of Bitcoin, which is 51,000, and you just buy. That's it. You see this here? Okay, let's say I just want to buy Bitcoin right now. All I do is just put the amount that I want to purchase Bitcoin at. Because remember, you don't have to purchase the entire Bitcoin to own Bitcoin. You can purchase a share of Bitcoin. So if I say I want to do $50 worth, that's fine. I can type it in, or I can use these areas as well. And then I just go here, review order. Now I can do once, I can do daily, and do weekly. So you can actually use this as more of a repeat type of buying services automatically. So you can set this automatically. So if I want to say, I want to do this weekly, every Monday, and $50, I review the order. And what happens is it'll take me to another screen and it ties my bank account. So when you set up your free account, you're going to need to have your bank account in there as well. And so there you'll confirm that. And then your payment method will be right under here. So you also can, if you don't have your bank account, you also can just go ahead and add another payment method by clicking on add bank or debit card. So if you don't have your bank account set up when you start your free account, that's okay. You can do it right here when you're getting ready to purchase your cryptocurrency. It's really simple and really easy. And it basically tell you exactly what your situation is with $25,000 of a daily limit remaining. So I can use $25,000 from my bank account to purchase cryptocurrency this week. That's simple. And then I can confirm it. Okay, I want $50 every Monday. And then it says 4 to 5 business days of withdrawal time. So if you want to know more information about that, you can click on that little icon button. It's like a little information button or a little circle. and it tells you exactly the hold times of this payment method. Pretty much up to 4 to 5 days, it's going to be withdraw from your account. This shows you the amount and the transaction fee. So there is a transaction fee involved in terms of the purchase. So this tells you right there, it's a total of $50. So this is basically, you're going to get $48 worth of Bitcoin because $1.99 is for these fees. So that's how you buy it. It's really simple. And then when you buy your Bitcoin, it shows up right on your portfolio. So it shows up right. If you click on portfolio, it'll show up right here. Let me see. Yeah, it shows up right here. So right here, it shows your Bitcoin right there. So it shows how much Bitcoin do you currently have. Now, you can always go back to market. And this is actually the home page of the market page. Now, I started out at my portfolio, but if you don't have anything in your portfolio, you can always go to market and select your cryptocurrency from here. Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink, and it's many others. They've been adding more cryptocurrencies in here in the last several months. And that's a good thing because it gives you more of a balanced portfolio, give you more of a variety of cryptocurrency. So once again, you just go to the view details, click on Bitcoin, and you can go ahead and buy it. It's that simple. Also, what I like about Gemini is that it gives you information about the cryptocurrency. It pretty much gives you a summary of it, or you can get even more information from it. Like Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency and blockchain. So it actually gives you more information that's about Bitcoin. And it also has, at the bottom here, it has links to the website and to the white paper. So you want to read this information if you just want more. What is cryptocurrency? I've been hearing about this Bitcoin. I don't know much about it. Well, the information is right here. It shows you pretty much when it started and where it is right now. So 2008 is where it was pretty much published from Satoshi. So anyway, let me go ahead and look more information. I like this here, the market cap, which is just under $1 trillion. And then here's the volume is 145.6, circulating supply, and all-time high. So all-time high was 58,000 and currently it is 51,000. So it looks like it's going to eventually hit its all-time high at some point in the future. So that's simple. Now, if I want to sell my Bitcoin, it's really simple too. Click on sell and it shows you how much Bitcoin you want to sell. Now, this is how much Bitcoin I currently have. So I can put in 0.00070,70392. So that's how much Bitcoin I currently have in this training exercise. Now, what happens is it'll click on review order. It's basically telling you exactly how much is going to be due back to you in your bank account. So this is selling your Bitcoin from your portfolio back into your actually bank account. So here's the amount that's going to be taken out. And there's the actually price that's going to be due back to you. And this is just the transaction fee that they're going to charge again for taking the money out. So remember, it's always going to be a fee if you buy cryptocurrency or if you sell your cryptocurrency. Just remember that. And then you just confirm order. And then what happens is it'll give you a timeline on when that money should be entering your bank account. And it's that simple. I love Gemini. It's really simple and really easy. You can do this right from your cell phone and your mobile device as well. Just like this. And then click on earn. Earn is just basically, click earn. It just shows that all the what you can actually earn. Okay, so this is actually how you can stake it. You actually earn a percentage of it. So you can earn that percentages. So Gemini earning is that you can earn interest. So if I click on earn, and let's say if I say I want to earn this, let's see. Excuse me. So if I want to click here and earn, if I could put continue, this is the terms and conditions about it, and I'll accept it. And then master loan. So pretty much this is actually if I want to earn interest. I probably won't go ahead and do this. It's select the cryptocurrency to earn interest. This is the actually projected year interest. So I could put this in the year interest. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for this actually episode. So I click on continue. Here's the terms and conditions. I'm going to accept the conditions. Here's the master loan. So you definitely want to read all this. So I'm going to basically earn interest off the actually Bitcoin for a year. So it said you'll be earning interest on the Bitcoin that I earn within 1 day. You can view your balance in my portfolio. Click on done, just like that. So I'm earning interest from that. Also, I can do it from these other two as well. I can do it from Orchard. Let's do it from Orchard. I do the maximum. That's how much I have. And I'm going to earn interest just like this. Earn interest, confirm. You'll be earning interest on 21.15 OXT within 1 business day. You can view your balance in my portfolio. So that's it. That's all, guys. So that's a little bonus there. I forgot about the Gemini earnings that you can earn and actually interest off of it. If you want more information, just click on that learn more, and it actually breaks it down to you. So this is really, really cool. Not only you can buy Bitcoin, but you also can earn interest from Bitcoin. Earn up to 7.4 APY on your cryptocurrency redeem at any time. So this is a really good thing as well, guys. So not only when you click on the link below, you sign up on your Bitcoin just by signing up on your account and getting your first Bitcoin, you get free Bitcoin. But then you can start earning interest off your Bitcoin just by going into the earn section and by clicking on earn. So you just saw me do that there. So I'm basically earning interest off the Bitcoin that I already have. And so it's really quickly and really easy. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to click on the link below. Start your free Gemini account. You will not regret it. I'm telling you, it's simple and really easy. You kind of saw the basics of just buying the Bitcoin, and then also, sir, you saw earning interest off the Bitcoin that I already had, and you can do the same thing too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Sign up for your free Bitcoin at the links below, and I'll see you on the next video.